Whether you are watching television or scrolling online, almost all forms of media are cluttered by advertisements. These ads could be of any kind, but one thing that might be common among them is a promise of excellence, that the product being advertised is the best, better than its competitors. But who can tell if it really is? What if the product does not really offer the results promised in the ad? Who will hold the brand accountable then? In the case of the Indian Ayurveda brand, Patanjali, the country's top court has stepped in and it has warned the brand of a hefty fine for false advertising. But first, let me tell you a little bit about this brand itself. Patanjali began as a made-in-India brand, but now it is a multinational conglomerate. It is owned by a renowned Indian yoga guru, Baba Ramdev. Since its launch, Patanjali has promoted Ayurveda, alternative medicine system with historical Indian roots, but it might have gone a little overboard with its promotion. One of the company's products claims to be useful for those who are diabetic. Another claims to be useful for thyroid patients. Similarly, there are products promoted by Baba Ramdev that claim to work in case of high blood pressure or low blood pressure. Is there evidence to back those claims though? Patanjali's detergent claims to keep the skin safe. Its ghee claims to promote healing. The Supreme Court is now pulling up Baba Ramdev's brand. A bench said it may consider imposing a fine of 1 crore rupees per product if a false claim is made with regard to curing ailments. The court was hearing a case that was filed last year. IMA, or the Indian Medical Association, filed a petition against Baba Ramdev's Patanjali, accusing it of a smear campaign against allopathic medicines and COVID-19 vaccination drive. In July last year, Patanjali published a half-page advertisement in several newspapers. It said, "Misconceptions spread by allopathy. Save yourself and the country from the misconceptions spread by pharma and medical industry," quote unquote. What did the Supreme Court have to say? It warned Patanjali that all of its false and misleading advertisements have to stop, and they have to stop immediately. It also asked the brand to stop making bogus claims in the media, and if Patanjali does not stop, it could face a fine of 1 crore rupees or $120,000. And what does Baba Ramdev have to say to that? A lot. He accused the Indian Medical Association of propaganda against yoga. He said that if he was lying, he is willing to pay a fine of not just 1 crore rupees, but 1,000 crores and even death penalty. Now, this is not the first time that Patanjali has come under scrutiny, by the way. Last year, the top court had told Baba Ramdev not to make derogatory remarks against modern medicine and doctors. Then Chief Justice of India raised a pointed question. He said that while Ramdev is free to popularize his system, why should he criticize other medicines? He also questioned that what assures Ayurveda would always work. Patanjali came under fire back in 2021 as well. One of his videos went viral on social media. In this clip, Baba Ramdev was heard saying that lakhs of people have died because of allopathic medicines. In another video, the Indian yoga guru claimed that 1,000 doctors had died even after getting 2 doses of the COVID-19 vaccine. Such bold claims, but on what grounds? Were they anything more than speculation? Then Union Health Minister Harshvardhan asked Baba Ramdev to withdraw his comments. Ramdev soon issued an apology. But the false ads continued. WION now available in your country. Download the app now. Get all the updates on the move.